You can now attend a court hearing remotely using the Zoom video conferencing platform. A remote hearing is still a court appearance, and you should act and dress as though you are physically appearing in a courtroom in front of a judge. This video will explain how to attend a remote hearing using Zoom on an iPhone. Please see our other videos on how to attend court using Zoom on an Android phone or on a laptop or desktop computer. To attend court remotely, you will need an iPhone that has a working camera and microphone and that is either plugged in or charged. You will also need stable internet connection or data, and you will need to know the Zoom login information for your courtroom, such as the meeting ID and password or the link to the Zoom meeting. Each courtroom has different Zoom login information. You can find the unique Zoom meeting ID and password or Zoom meeting link for your courtroom on your local court's website, on your court papers, or by contacting your local circuit clerk. If you do not have an iPhone or Android phone or a stable internet connection or data, you can call into the meeting using any phone. You will still need the Zoom meeting ID and password as well as a call-in number provided by the court. If you call into the meeting, the judge and other participants will be able to hear but not see you, and you will be able to hear but not see the judge and other participants. If you have questions, please contact your local court or circuit clerk's office for more information. To attend court from your iPhone, you will need to download the Zoom app on your iPhone at least one day before your scheduled hearing date so you can test out your device and equipment. To download the Zoom app, open up the App Store and type Zoom in the search bar. The app's full name is Zoom Cloud Meetings, and you can download it for free. Once the app is downloaded, Zoom will give you the option to create an account or to sign in, but you do not need an account or to be signed in to use Zoom to attend a remote hearing. Once you have downloaded Zoom onto your iPhone, you can open the app from your home screen and choose Join a Meeting. Then enter the meeting ID for your courtroom. Where Zoom asks for a name, enter your first and last name, case number, or follow any specific instructions from the court on how to name yourself. If you do not enter your name in an identifiable way, the judge may not know who you are and may not let you into the meeting. After entering the meeting ID and your full name or case number, hit the blue Join. Next, enter the password, and if you are asked, choose the blue Join with Video so the judge can see your face. At this point, you may automatically enter the virtual courtroom, or you may be put into a virtual waiting room. If you are in the waiting room, keep the app open on your screen, and the judge will let you into the meeting when they are ready. If the court emailed you a Zoom meeting link or lists Zoom meeting links on its website, you can open your email or web browser and click on the link instead of opening the app and entering the meeting ID. You still need to download the Zoom app to use a Zoom meeting link on your iPhone. The link will automatically open the meeting in the Zoom app. If asked, choose the blue Join with Video so the judge can see your face. Keep the app open on the virtual courtroom or virtual waiting room screen. If you click on the Zoom meeting link and see a blue link labeled Join from your browser near the bottom of your screen, you may be able to attend the meeting from your web browser instead of using an app. See our How to Zoom from a Computer video for more information on this option. Once the judge lets you into the meeting, a pop-up may ask you to connect your audio. Choose Join with Wi-Fi or cellular data so the judge can hear you. If this pop-up does not appear or you can't hear the judge, click the headphones icon at the bottom of your screen to join audio and then choose Join with Wi-Fi or cellular data. If you did not connect your video before, click Start Video Now next to Join Audio to start video. If the Zoom app automatically assigned you a name, you can change it once you are in the meeting. You will click on the participant's icon, select your name, choose Rename, and then enter your full name or case number. Choose Done and Close to return to the meeting. On the iPhone, you will only be able to see 4 participants at a time, and you will need to swipe to the next page or pages to see the rest of the participants if there are more than 4 people in the Zoom meeting. You are now in the virtual courtroom using the Zoom app. Stay muted until the judge calls your case. When the judge does call your case, click the microphone icon to unmute yourself. If there is a red line through the microphone, you are muted. The chat feature may be available, and the judge or your lawyer may use it to communicate with you. You can see the chat option by clicking the three dots next to the participant's icon at the bottom of your screen to see more options and selecting chat. Make sure you do not use the chat feature to share any private information. And remember, make sure you join the Zoom meeting 15 minutes before your scheduled time. Once you join the meeting, do not leave until the judge dismisses you. You should be dressed appropriately for your hearing. Make sure your background and surroundings are appropriate. Choose a quiet place where you can remain seated to participate in the hearing. Do not join the Zoom meeting while in a moving vehicle or while driving. Remain on mute until it is your turn to speak. Do not speak over anyone and do not interrupt anyone. Use appropriate language for a courtroom. There may be a language interpreter or a court reporter present in your remote hearing. Be aware that they may interrupt from time to time to ask you to repeat yourself or to ask clarifying questions. If you need an interpreter for your hearing, you can tell the judge, "I need an interpreter," when your case is called. Lastly, you are not allowed to record the remote hearing in any way, including video and audio recording and taking photographs or screenshots. Congratulations, you are now ready to attend a remote hearing from your iPhone using Zoom.